Good morning, friends. Today is February 3rd, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, you are going to draw the shapes that you see on the calendar, and then you're going to write the two shapes are symmetrical or the two shapes are not symmetrical. So when we look at today's calendar piece, today is Wednesday, February 3rd. Here are the two shapes. So again, think about, it looks like 2 dots wide for the blue one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots tall for the blue one. And it looks like 5 dots tall for the red one, and 2 dots wide for the red one. So press pause if you need more time to draw the shape. All right, now make sure you have your sentence. The two shapes are symmetrical or the two shapes are not symmetrical. Press pause if you need more time to write your sentence. Alrighty, friends, next to number 2. Today you are going to write 3 equations that equal 94. So again, I would challenge you to try to write equations that have multiple add-ins, more than 2 add-ins that will equal the sum of 94. Press more time if you need, or press pause if you need more time to complete your equations for 94. Alrighty, next to number 3, we are representing the number of days we've been in school. Yesterday we were in school for 82 days. Now we've been in school for 83 days. So you are going to write an addition equation that equals 83, a subtraction equation that equals 83, tally marks to show 83, coins that have a value of 83 cents, and the 10 sticks and 1 blocks to show 83. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Alrighty, now we are on to number 4. Today's story is, there were 9 children playing hopscotch together. Some of the children decided to play a different game. There are now 5 kids playing hopscotch. How many went to play another game? Again, the requirements for a math story. Number 1, you need a picture. So you will need to draw a picture to show this story. Number 2, you need an equation. The equation will need to match your picture and the story. And number 3, you will need your answer with the label. Remember that label is the topic of what we are answering. Again, I will read the story. There were 9 children playing hopscotch together. Some of the children decided to play a different game. There are now 5 kids playing hopscotch. How many went to play another game? Again, you need a picture, equation, and answer. Press pause if you need more time to complete your math story. And now we are on to number 5, and today for number 5 you are counting backwards, starting at 109, and you are counting backwards to 78. Start at 109 and count backwards to 78. Press pause if you need more time to complete that. Alrighty, friends, will you have a fabulous day? You've got this. Do your best, and we will see you tomorrow.